In this interview, artist Shamel Pitts speaks at the Miami Theater Center. Pitts is a black man wearing two necklaces and a black tank top with a white design.
Hello, my name is Shamel Pitts. I am the artistic director of Tribe, which is a Brooklyn-based multidisciplinary performance arts collective. I'm also the concept director, choreographer, and one of the two performers in Touch of Red. Dance is my way of living and existing in this life. I am a dancer and I will always dance. Touch of Red is a new multidisciplinary duet between two men of color. We deal a lot with the power of vulnerability and how this quality is innate to all of us, and sometimes through systems and structures outside of us. We don't often get to investigate, dig into those qualities. So in Touch of Red, we're really creating a world in which our multiplicity can come through. Touch of Red was birthed from this interest / disdain of boxing. I never really understood the entertainment value or the appeal of people watching two men, especially two men of color, get into a ring with each other and beat the crap out of each other. So at some point when I would look at the television and see boxing, I would, instead of turning it off, I would leave it on and started to look towards it. I became really intrigued by these blur moments with the two fighters where it wasn't so clear whether they were wrestling or embracing each other. Friction creates a lot of heat. And this work is pretty heated, and that heat comes from many different sources. It comes from, choreographically, the speed in which we move through the space and through each other. It comes from the tactility and delicacy of our touch, but then also the energy and electricity through our body when we don't touch. This need to touch, but not being able to. It comes from this work being a match. Things are lit here. I think the audience will immediately feel an intensity and energy and time being sped up as soon as they get into the performance. We were really trying to create this environment that felt warm, almost like a campfire. People coming around something that is very familiar, very warm and inviting. Yet still, if you get too close to the heat, temperature rises. By the first couple of moments of this work, we're sweating intensely. Not because there's a sense of exertion of energy or there's a lot of tension, but there's very much a lot of quickness, lightness, playfulness, hunger, intrigue, electricity, upbeat sound, movement, experience, and then we go from there.